The requirements and purposes of a private development cloud will vary from environment to environment. Also, within a single organization, we know that the needs and use cases of different development teams can be extremely diverse. One team working on Windows using Visual Studio in a .NET environment, where another team works primarily on real-time Linux for your custom embedded device, to your web and content management team. Over the years, it's also likely these groups have ended up using a range of different SCM and defect tracking systems, build, test, and analysis tools. And there should be nothing blocking these teams from continuing to use whatever tool or practice makes sense for their particular requirement to be optimally productive. A critical requirement for the adoption of your private development cloud investment is that the environment will be able to speak the same native language as its intended users. With this I mean integrating with all the various third-party and homegrown tools that your organization is using, while also providing and presenting user interfaces that are intuitive and exactly match the purpose of your tools, workflows, and processes executed. To achieve this, you need a pluggable technology, flexible enough to allow for any customization requirement, whether it's within the core process execution engine or on the skin, the user interfaces. The level of flexibility Electric Cloud offers, for example, would be, if I were a tester, I can see a list of available builds and drops coming out of development, all coupled to its originating set of issues in the defect tracking system. I select one, and I immediately see the available test suites defined in the quality assurance system. I make a selection of tests, and I see the available resources where I could run the tests. When done, I hit Run, and the user interface brings me right into the details of that particular execution, where all the test suites are run in parallel or on different, properly configured resources, while interfacing with the various virtual host providers, test automation frameworks, and simulators. All of it using the correct operating system configurations and users, achieved within a few clicks. By using our open APIs, you can seamlessly integrate your existing scripts and utilities and customize the interfaces to match exactly what your users are familiar with. Together with a full range of first-class plugins, integrating with the most common and widely adopted tools out there, you can be assured Electric Cloud will support and back up your integration and customization needs in your private development cloud.